It really warmed my heart to be a part of this delegation. It's the first time for me. I love Samoa, I love New Zealand. I'm a son of both, and to be able to be on a trip like this and to try and bring the two countries closer together, it just made me feel so proud to be involved and do that.
Fatalo fatu ia o mai moanga Samoa ai alomaia o se whaopoponga le nei o le awaia to le tātou ala leo o Fiso whaasalalau le Radio Samoa i le whainga malanga le taitai o le malo Niu Sila i malo o Samoa ma Tonga. I le whaatino ai o talanoanga ma whaasoa taitai o malo Samoa Tonga ma Aotearoa nei e le manofo sui na autovaa faatasi atu malana fionga le palemia. Tui sinave maulu moto otua Christopher Luxon e whailo fo i tū langa o le lātou awai atu i lea whainga malanga. I tū tau pisinisi ala manuia maleipa na whaasoa ai se tāsi o tangata i longa whai pisinisi Samoa i totonu Niu Sila, Fiso John Fiso o le Fiso Investment Group na ia ta ua ai le tā ua tele o le sanga whaalaua i tele o le malamlama anga o sui ngā rulu e totonu o ngā luenga ma pisinisi.
Yeah, well, I think that the first thing is, like, Fiore had a great idea of upskilling their workforce. So rather than them getting tertiary study and then coming back, it was a great model to say, you know, you're picking up people who are generally might not have many skills or unskilled, but upskilling them on the job. I think this was a very good approach. So, you know, without sort of confirming anything, but we liked the model that we saw with Fiore. We like the fact that they're an export-led business and they have space in the facility that they're in. So there may be some opportunities there, but also like last time I was here, I spoke with Prime Minister Auli about agriculture, and I still think that there's opportunities for agriculture in Samoa. But just look at Tonga, and you saw how much of the produce here is exported back to New Zealand, and so we see same opportunities for Samoa in the agricultural sector. I think education, which is our core, we have Education New Zealand, and we like to think that some of those education opportunities can come to Samoa.
I lei tū tau soifua maloloina na Maua le avanoa malana fionga, Dame Dr. Teuila Percival, o se fōma i mōwhana witi, na ia whaasoa ai lo na nganga fia, ilo na whaalongolongo atu i le iai o le whaamamafa, i tū lango le soifua maloloina o tangata anu Samoa, whaapea Tonga, i whetūwha i ngā taitai.
I'm a paediatrician, so I'm very interested in children and young people. And to be honest, I think, you know, the future of a country is what we do and what we invest in our children. So I'm always looking out for what's happening for children and young people. And I mean, there were big amounts of money for various things, but it was nice to see that there's a bit of a focus on sport for rugby league in Samoa and for health here in Tonga. So, you know, there's a focus on well-being, which is good. The other thing for children, of course, is it's very hard to have a thriving, healthy population if you haven't got a thriving, healthy economy and environment. So whatever investment they do for business is very welcome too.
Whailo e la auli Monty Betham lona fo ianganga whaangai e tia. I lona moli mawino fanau a o ngor kolisi o Wesley po Wesley College o Samoa ma tipene mai Niu Sila nei. Le taa alo ai I lumo taitai o maalo e lua. Ai meise o tangata I longo ta alonga laka piliki ma le uni.
I think the key takeaway for me, or the part that I enjoyed the most about the trip to Samoa, is the fact that we could have rugby league be at the centre in front of the Prime Ministers. I mean, for these young kids from Tipene College and from Wesley College to play in front of such prestigious company, the Prime Ministers, is just a true honour. So for me to be there and see rugby league be at the forefront, it was huge. But also to be away from Samoa for so long and to sort of see the development of the country and to see how many very smart and ambitious people that are at the forefront of running the country. I just really enjoyed that.
Ai le Aotearoa le awaia I le nei whaamoemoe na whaasoa Savae Sir Michael Jones. E te tau o na amata atu I tangata lautele o na o mai faatasi. E whai paanga ma le malo. Ina ia mawhai o na ausia sini au tū. O le Maua o Fisosoani a tangata anu I Samoa. Ma so se atu moto le Pasifika.
But it is a partnership between the government and the community, and the government doesn't have all the answers, But I think for me, going away from this as a community leader is we've got to keep finding the solutions. As the community, we've got to keep making and identifying how we can collaborate, how we can partner even across our people, whether it's as the Samoan community in Auckland or Pacific community across New Zealand. I think the responsibility and the onus is on us. We can't rely on the government. It's all great what's happening, but we have to own it. We have to take responsibility. And I think I'm really more determined to do that coming away from here. I'm grateful for what the government can do, but they don't have all the answers. I'm very impressed with the way the partnership and the friendship is continuing to grow and build. But even then, they need grassroots leadership. They need grassroots communities to really make a change from the down up. It's not all about the up down, and I really believe that. And I feel more passionate now and more committed to it's a burden, and we have to carry it. But I still feel very positive about the future, because as long as we as the people and as the leadership are working together, nganga faatasi, loto faatasi, mawhawhau faatasi, ngā lue faatasi, I think that's the key. And I've been really impressed with the type of people we have and the commitment to come away from here. Great what the government's doing, but what more can we do?
O le nei malanga e lata le valu se fulu I lātou mai whaala potonga, bisinisi tu maoti, sui o matanga luenga le malo, whaapele ka peneta ma au whaasalalau, na ngai whaatasi atu I le nei whainga malanga le li palemia, to tele o I lātou, o alo matama fanau o atunuu na asia.